Would you stay with me? As long as you're with me, I won't get lonely. Even here in this world. I might have said this before, but I want to be with you. I want to stay with you forever. Because
Homie, who the fuck is you? I don't wanna fuck with you. She don't wanna fuck with you neither. I don't wanna fuck with those either. I don't even leave my house. Fuck your sister and your spouse. She don't wanna love me, but she needs to leave my fucking house. She needs to leave my fucking house. My fucking house.
I don't know what you said to me, but my mom told me that I gotta fucking get clean. I'm so lost, I've been on my own. I've been smoking proof and I don't even know, yeah.
The shadows in my room hit the dark soon. I don't find it right while you're up watching cartoons. Yeah, you're up watching cartoons.
Up watching cartoons. Last time I saw you, it was in the desert. Like an oasis, I wish I could replace this feeling of you. This feeling of you. This feeling of you.
I wanna go to heaven, but I'd rather go to hell. At least my cats will be there with me. I don't wanna see you drown. She don't wanna see me happy. I don't wanna see you frown. I don't wanna see you frown. I don't wanna see you frown.
You left me, I'm so stoned. You left me, girl, I wish you'd go. I've been on my own, I've been on my own, I've been on my own.
Oh shit, I shouldn't have fucking opened it. What the fuck? What is wrong with me? Oh my